Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this video is about electric circuits, that is working of series and parallel circuits. Let us start with simple series circuit. For this circuit we need battery, switch, lights and wires, and we have to connect end to end forming a single path for current flow. And when we switch on, all the light glows, and one disadvantage in the series circuit is if one light goes out, then the circuit is not going to work. And advantage is easy to design and the cost to build a series circuit is less. Whereas parallel circuit is little bit complicated and it is connected across each other. And when we switch on, then the light glows, and the lights are brighter than those in series circuit. And if one light goes out, the circuit continues to work. Thank you for watching. Hope you find it helpful.